Hello, my name is Ioannis Dizoglu. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you why I love GoalSeek. By using the GoalSeek function, you will be able to identify easily and quickly the missing value here. So I've got January and I know how much money I've made in January. I know how much money I've made in February and in March. However, I need to identify very easily and quickly what is the missing number here, which will enable me to meet my total target of £500,000. So I need to apply GoalSeek. I need to go to the Data tab. I need to go to the What If analysis and select GoalSeek. The cell I'm looking for is the current total. And I want to make sure that when this value changes to £500,000, to stop the formula, to stop Microsoft Excel keep guessing what it's going to add into this cell. So I'm going to repeat this. The first value that I'm selecting is this cell here, which is my current total. Then the target I'm looking for is £500,000 because that's my target. Now I could actually select the cell, but Microsoft Excel doesn't actually give you this option. However, you have to put this information manually. Now, once this value here changes to £500,000, okay, I want to display this missing value here. These cells from January to April have a sum function. And this sum function basically calculates adding up all these values here and paste them here. So if I click OK, I'm going to have to give a couple seconds for Microsoft Excel to guess the number. So once Microsoft Excel found the number, then I've got my total, which is met here, £500,000. So I didn't have to keep guessing which number I should put here. I let Microsoft Excel basically do all the hard work for me. And that's the reason why I love GoalSeek. Hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will apply this function into your projects. Thank you very much for watching.